Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving, and now as we move forward into the holiday season, I have just received just a few moments ago my November the box from Fashionsta. Yes, today when I am taping this is December 2nd and I just received this. This little box is really heavy this month, so I'm anxious to see what is in here. I don't think that I am particularly late in receiving it this month. I think that they were late sending it out, but this is a $19.99 box, and you receive 5 products, generally full-sized, and they say it'll have a value between $80 and $120, but generally I find that it's more than that. But let's get in here and see what we've got this month. So it is a dreary old day out there, and it is so cold, guys. We are officially in winter now. Okay, so this is our card for the month, and it tells us on the back everything that we're receiving in the box, and it says that we have a total retail value of $136. So let's just dig right in and see what I've got. So this is what the box looks like when I open it. And it has the nice little Fashionsta paper and the little sticker and lots of the black shred that likes to get all over me. I don't know what I do wrong with this shred. I seem to get it everywhere. It's like glitter. You know how it just gets everywhere? I'm the same way with the shred. Okay, reaching right in, I have on top hair serum. Sutra hair serum. I think this is the same brand of the curling wand that we got, that was the clipless curling wand in our boxy, and it's 2.03 fluid ounces, paraben free, and that is what the box looks like. Let's see what the bottle looks like. Oh wow, this is very pretty for a hair serum. This looks more like a moisturizer or something that you would have on your vanity for your face. That is so pretty. Let's see what the paperwork says. It says that it has a $45 value. The perfect partner for blow dryers, curling irons, and hair straighteners. Hair professionals know that even the most fabulous style loses a lot if the hair looks dull and damaged. If you use heat to style your hair, this is one product you can't do without. It contains jojoba oil, which is rich in antioxidants, along with vitamin E to protect, strengthen, and repair hair. The formula also contains omega-3 and omega-9 fatty acids, which protect hair from UV damage, and silk protein that makes hair silky and strong. It says to use this on wet hair before blow drying to create a super smooth and silky look. Products like this, I can only pull through this very bottom bit of my hair because my hair is so flat. I mean, you guys can tell I didn't curl it today. It is so flat up top, and this is fresh out of the shower and freshly blow dried. So this is exactly as much body as I ever get on my own. This is a $45 product, and our box was $19.99, so $20. So we've more than doubled our money spent. Reaching in next, I have Bud Naked CBD Booty Scrub, 50 mgs. And this is what the box looks like. Booty scrub. Okay then. It's a nice heavy jar. It's glass. That is what it looks like. Let's see if it's sealed. I am hesitant to open things that are sealed now until I have seen if it's... Oh, it's popped open just a little bit, so we'll just give it a smell. Doesn't smell like much of anything. I'm going to leave this sealed as much as it is sealed because it doesn't really smell like anything, and it's just a gritty scrub, because you know if I can't use it, I like to be able to pass it along. CBD Sugar Scrub Bud Naked, $29 value. For the most natural exfoliation and skin tightening, smooth and refine your skin with the first ever CBD infused body scrub. This sugar scrub is packed with botanicals that help exfoliate, refine, and smooth the skin. Use our sugar scrub as a pre-cleanse in the shower or after you cleanse to reap all the benefits of the CBD and clean botanicals. Made to help reduce stretch marks and aid in cellular production, as well as help combat breakouts. And it's made in the USA, cruelty-free, and vegan-friendly. Well, that's very interesting. So again, this one product worth more than the price of the box. Next, I have a lippy, it looks like. Lurella in Ari. This is sealed. I can't decide whether to open this or not because I did see somebody else do this unboxing, and I know I'll go ahead and take the plastic off the outside, but I know kind of what the color is, and I'm not going to swatch it because I'll never use it. It's one of the ones that's kind of a concealer color, and on my super light skin, those just don't work. So if I don't swatch it, I can pass it along. Yeah, this is the exact same color she got, and see how it's basically skin color for me, and this is just not even a little bit flattering on my face. So let us see. Yes, it is a $10 lipstick, and then it just tells you about liquid lips and how they're good for your lips. I am not going to open this so that I can save it for a giveaway because that will not work for my skin, unfortunately. So let's just dig right in. Oh, this is very pretty. Look at that. I love the ones that have that apothecary look. I just love it. Fig and Yarrow. I promise you I did not know. Fig and Yarrow Apothecary. Orange Blossom Lavender Complexion Water. A hydrating skin toner with a blend of pure essential oils and herbal extracts for superlative skin nourishment. And this says that it is a $34 value. Add an extra dose of beneficial nutrients while hydrating, soothing, and toning skin. It's like 1,000 wafts of calm in each bottle, filled to the brim with a myriad of botanical extracts for soothing, smoothing, and cleansing, balancing, and youth-enhancing benefits. And it says to use, mist lightly over your face and body. Apply after cleanser and before nutrient booster. So I guess before your serum. I also just took a moment to read the ingredients. And this, unfortunately, I feel like I am a skipping record today, has licorice root extract in it. And as I pointed out in like an Allure video earlier in the month, I can't use licorice extract. So I will set that aside for a giveaway. Okay, so last but not least, I have a Cara Beauty Midnight Garden Shadow Palette. That is so pretty. See how pretty that is? And this is just, everything has been sealed so nicely. Like if you wanted to gift any of these products, for $19, we got all of these products. And they're all like, this is sealed in its plastic. The lippy was sealed in its plastic. The hair serum came in a box. The CBD came in a box. The Fig and Yarrow didn't, but that apothecary type stuff usually doesn't. And anybody would love receiving that. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. I am so excited about this. Look how pretty that is. Those are super bright and pretty. Let's see what the paperwork says about them. It is an $18 palette. That's a bargain. This palette makes it effortless to travel with, and yet still have your go-to shades. These shades range from true transition shades, and of course the pops of color to transform a day look to a night look. The formula is rich in pigment and soft as butter. Finishes include duochrome, satin matte, matte, and classic shimmers. Well, let's get into a few of these. So it definitely, let me see, oh good, it bends back. So we have, these are matte, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 9 mattes, and then all of these glitters and shimmer. This is so pretty, guys, so pretty. What I love about this palette is the first thing I do after I use my paint pot is I use a light color all over my lid, and I have that in here, and then a nice beigey transition color, and I have that in here, and then I just usually add my color and if I want glitter. So for me, this is a full service shadow palette, and I love that. Let's try a few of the colors. So let's try this pretty pink. Wow. That has some, it's a little dry, but it gave great color. That is fantastic. So that's one of the mattes. Let's try one of the basic shimmer looking ones. That is light. I chose that light gray, and it's just a light with a little bit of shimmer to it. I know, I don't do the best swatches. This one looks super pretty. Let's look at this. Oh, wow, this is so buttery and nice. It's kind of a copper feel. I think this is, oh, wow, that's pretty. It's very light, but this would be perfect like in the inner third of your eye when you're looking for a little bit of pop of shimmer. Okay, let's try one of these chunky. Oh, wow, it's chunky on top, but it feels way more buttery than you would anticipate. That's really pretty. I'm going to hit it again. It doesn't seem to have much fallout for as chunky and glittery as you feel like it's going to be. It's not. It's just, I really like these colors. They're super pretty and wearable. Love that. Okay, that was my Fashionsta box for November, although we did receive it in December. So we received our Midnight Garden Shadow Palette, our CBD Bud Naked Booty Scrub, our lippy from Lurella that's in that kind of complexion-y color, this nice Sutra hair serum, which I will for sure be trying at the bottom of my hair, and this really pretty Fig and Yarrow Orange Blossom and Lavender Complexion Water, which I unfortunately can't use, so I'll have to pass it along. So for $19.99, I think this was a really nice box. While there are things that I can't use, I'm outside of the norm. Most people can use a licorice product with no problem. But thank you so much for coming by today, guys. I am so glad to start doing some of our unboxings. I know this is technically November, but we're pushing forward into December. And I thought about doing a Vlogmas, but I've never vlogged before. So I thought what I would try and do is maybe get a video up most days. Some of them will be shorter than this, but I'm gonna vlog in my own way, which is, I guess, by technically not vlogging at all. Just coming on and saying, hey guys, what's up? If you don't follow me on Insta, be sure and follow me on Insta because I'm gonna start doing some of my daily updates over there too. So come back soon. I'm doing a collab with a few other beauty girls and we've each put together a skincare giveaway to do within the collab, which that'll be kind of fun. And I will see you soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I have more videos coming out, and I hope you have a great day.